Now we're going into the Beauchamp Chapel at St Mary's in Warwick, United Kingdom. Got a good view here. Just look at this lovely chapel. Isn't that lovely? But thank you especially all those who've subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed and you're thinking about it, that is wonderful. Because you're going to make an old man quite happy. How could you resist? Some interesting tombs in here. We haven't got time to say too much about them today because there's so many people. I do love this roof here. And this looks a bit like a king on account he's got his crown on. Let's see what it says. Earl Ambrose tomb. Oh well, there you go. He's only an earl. What's he got a crown on for? Who's this one? He's a knight, isn't he? Richard Beauchamp, Earl of Warwick. There he is. Once important in his day, and now dead.